Yeah, today we're learning welding with Nick. MIG welding. Hello, Nick. Nick the MIG welder. We're going to weld a table. We're going to make a table. We're going to make a bench to fit the lathe. Nick's got a lathe and he's got chickens. Hello, chickens. Today I'm learning how to weld.
And you're going to see how we are.
Why don't we cut a couple of pieces, put one here, and then we'll put one here, same size, and then it'll be square. Somewhat.
Are you sure about that? You're going to be square?
Yeah.
It would be a trapezoid.
Trapezoid. That's it.
What have you got here? We've got 276. Oh, that's way out.
What do you got there?
Too much. That's what we got.
Yeah. Get a piece of rope. I'll fix it.
No rope here, bro, because it's hot. I need to put another spot on this one. Go the other way. You want me to do it? Yeah, I'll do it.
Nick welding in the shorts. No fucking mask on. It's like we're in Thailand.
Motherfuck. Got you now.
Fucking hell, man. Bloke's rough as guts. Check out my welds, bro. Check out my welds. Hey, look at that fucking masterpiece, Nick.
Oh yeah.
Hey, here go the welder.
Here you go, the welder.
Look, Daddy, I'm a welder. Look, Daddy, I'm a welder. Look.
But you fuck one goat.
I fucked the goat.
Hey, don't I want to try the horsey. Come over here. Oh, this is fun. Look at me, Daddy. I'm a farmer. Oh, this is fun. Look at me, Daddy. I'm a farmer, Daddy. When I grow up, I want to be a farmer.
Don't put it down there. Yes, it is. What am I wearing?
Fucking good welder, man. They all look like snowmen. They all look like dicks, bro. They do. Essa bellissimo lama. Hey. How'd you do that? Oh, yeah, he does know what he's doing. I never doubted you, Nick.
Yeah. You never doubted me. Asshole. Alright, what else have on? Steady my ass.
Butter knife. The hot knife through butter.
That's the one.
Like a butter knife through hot, like a hot through butter.
What the? What's going on there?
Alright, get the other piece of weld back on.
What happened? Did you see that?
Ah,
I don't know if it's too short.
you're right, don't worry about it, just weld it. Fucking weld it, weld it.
Stop welding and then let it cool and then go back again and start. You understand? Because if you keep going, you're going to keep blowing holes. Is that cool? So now you want to go on the cold side and come across. Yeah? You understand? You really understand?
Big hole, man. Leak through the hole. Better look my dick to the left. Yeah, that's right. Pitchko matching.
Don't weld this.
I can't weld. Roll like fuck. Roll like fuck, son. Big like chickens, throw like boom. I'm wondering why I got out of bed alone. The morning rain clouds up my window, but I can't see it all. Have you ever eaten fetus? Lemon fetus. Lemon fetuses. I just think it's fucked up you don't answer fans. You could have signed this autograph for Matthew. That's my little brother, man. He's only 6 years old. He waited in the blistering cold for you for 4 hours and you still said no. He just like you, man. He likes you more than I do. Yep. Fucking sturdy, bro. Oh. I am. Right to that fucker.
It's pretty right. I'll leave a hand with something like
This comes cold, I'm wondering why. Gotta get along. The morning rain clouds out my window, and I can't see it all. Look, Nick's got a lathe. Look, I'm a machinist. I'm a machinist.
Look at me, Daddy, I'm a farmer. Oh, this is fun. Look at me, Daddy. I'm a farmer. I'm a farmer, Daddy. Woo! But I want to be a farmer. I'm a farmer.